Good morning. Welcome to another video by Candlelight Trading. These are some trades today that I'm going to highlight that we took yesterday, October 25th, in the trading room. Some of you may be aware that I was trading a combine with Topstep Trader and may be wondering what's going on with that combine. So I'm going to fill you in. I had some issues with my P&Ls not computing accurately or not showing me an accurate computation, which caused me to blow out a combine because I was down more than I realized I was down. So I was in communication with Sierra Charts, and they helped me to resolve the problem, and we finally got it all figured out. And so we started a fresh new combine, which I started trading yesterday. So this video shows you some trades that we took yesterday in that combine and also the end of the day P&L. I'll post the results daily on the website so you can go there to check them. And I'll also try to make a video bi-weekly or at least weekly to give you an update on how that combine is progressing. But I hope that you will take advantage of these highly volatile markets that we're having right now and come and join me in the trading room. If you don't have a lot of money to trade, I highly recommend signing up for a funded account with Topstep and do a Topstep trading combine. And let me help you to reach your financial goals and reach your trading goals. If you do decide to do a Topstep trading combine, please use the link that's on my webpage to sign up. All right, first take a couple minutes and read the disclaimer. I did fast forward through the trades just to kind of show you them quickly. Keep in mind that this is just a few of the trades that we took yesterday. There were other trades. Some of them were losing trades. Not every trade's a winner. And then you will see the end of the day P&L. All right, thank you and have a great day and enjoy the video. Here at 86. All right, I'm filled at 86. I'm going to put my stop at 63 below those lows. And let's see if this will pop from here. I need it to really, it really needs, your stop needs to be below that wick, because that's the support area. And then we need this to really push up above VWAP again. So I may be crazy going long, but that's what I'm seeing right now. That's what these candles are telling me. So here comes some positive delta. Let's see if we can get a push back up above VWAP and then take out those highs. And then if we do, we should get a decent move up, to be honest with you. I got a cluster buying there. I'm back up above VWAP. I'm going to move my stop just a little bit below VWAP to 91. That puts me in a no-lose situation. So now the key is, are we going to be able to take out these highs? Because keep in mind, I've got 4 bands showing. RSI, we're in scalp mode. We're not in trend. All right, so we can't take, as we get up toward these highs around 734, I'll tighten up my stop a bit more, because if we can't take out the highs, we're going to continue to churn and trend. In fact, I'm going to move up my stop now to 8 to 06, and I'm protecting 20 ticks. It needs to either pop and break it, or I'm out. Goodbye. I'll take my 20 ticks. All right, let's see if we can break these highs. This is kind of key right up in here. I'm going to tighten up just a little bit, not too much, to 710. It does look to me like it wants to break, and we did break the highs. Now we're back at developing value area high. We need to push above that and close above that if we're going to go any further. We're right up here at developing value area high, another little key area. We might just turn right back around in this mess again. Theoretically, based on the bar, my stop should be way down here at the low of this bar. I'm not going to do that at this point. You know, that's just giving too much back. I've got a lot of profit here, so I've got to protect it. All right, so this is kind of key, what we're going to do here. I'm going to leave my stop at 726. See, this 2-minute bar here is going to close in about 4 seconds, which it just did. So I'm going to move my stop to below that wick. So that wick low is 31. I'll go 2 below it, so I'll go to 29. So now we need to hold above developing value area high, break these highs. So we break 759. We can break 759, 760. We should move up to, we got resistance up here at 92, and then further up at 805. So again, ultimately, I think this day is going to sell off, but right now there's a good chance we go up and retest those overnight highs, maybe even a little head fake higher up into this second little fib level or that point of control. So struggling to break and stay above these highs. Looks like even a potential little trap there, but we'll see if we can push up above that. Nice little move though. This will put me up. I'm up right now. I mean, obviously my stop won't be up $500 in the combine, but this would not be a bad day. All right, we are up near that weekly developing point of control. I am going to move my stop up higher at this point. I don't want us to dip back really below this low here that or I'm sorry, this high. I don't really want to dip much back below that. I'm not going all the way to the low of the bar. It's too big of a bar. I don't really want to give all that back. So, and there was the dress. See that? Right up at that monthly point of control. I probably honestly should have tightened up more up near there, but look at, boom, look at the whipsaw. It may come down and fill me yet. I'm gonna leave my order. I'm just left my order there at 79. We'll see. All right, now I'm filled. So now my stop has got to go right here to 53. But as soon as this bar closes, which is getting close to close, in fact, it's going to close. I'm going to already move my stop up to its low. So now I'm at 64. I'm not going to risk as much here. Actually, I'm in profit. I'm going to move it up and protect. So I'm now going to protect 10. I'm going to go to, I'm protecting 11. I'm at 91. Now we're going to head toward this developing value area here. I'm going to protect even more. It's going to be kind of a tight stop at this point, but because we're heading up to that there's a homework level there at 823, and look at that higher point of control, let's protect a little more. I'm going to go to 99 and protect 20. Now that we're inside still in this sell zone, but this is a pretty bullish bar on this 30-minute. And remember, I said we could even push above that sell zone and retest some of these higher levels. So now if you wanted to give it the full bar stop, it's down here at 66. I'm not willing to do that. I'm not willing to keep it. You know, I'd rather, if I get stopped out, I'll get back in again. So see, Dow is up to its weekly developing value area low. So if we push above that and close above that, I think we go up and retest this point of control here around 925-ish. So got a potential little trap up here. See that little buyers at the top? Not a whole lot of them though. And little negative delta. I do think we push above it. I've got a point of control in the prior bar at 11. If I go 5 below that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I'm going to go to the low of this bar. What time is it? 4, 26, 27. I'm going to go to the low of this bar now, even though the bar isn't closed. So the low is 804. I'm going to go to 802. It didn't. Let me see. If I go to a 1-minute chart, it'll give me a little clearer, a little tighter ways to trail. And so you can see that little red bar ignored there that formed. And so actually I'm hiding behind that below the low of that little single bar ignored or red bar ignored. Here we are heading up toward the overnight highs. I'm going to start to tighten up more at this point. So now I'm going to put my stop in even higher. I'm going to put my stop is in at 29. So I am protecting 30, 40, 50 ticks. Here comes some selling. So we're not quite to overnight high. I do think we'll get there, but I'm protecting 50 ticks. Got a bunch of selling stepping in. I'll probably get out here with the 50 ticks, and that's okay. Okay, I'm out of this Dow trade. But I'm going to see if I can even get in here around 817 or so. Now, if it breaks the low, 801, that's really actually the trigger. So 800 is really the trigger. I do like these sellers stepping in, though. I don't know if I'm going to get a retrace. All right, let's see if it'll get up to that level. A little higher, a little higher, a little higher. I'm going to sell ask in here. Oh, I did not get filled. I should have sold the market. Bummer. That was my price. That's what I wanted. I should have had my order sitting there. See if it'll come back up there again. Let me cancel that order and I'm going to just sell. All right, right there. All right, so I'm in at 12. Not horrible. I wanted 15. I'm in at 12. Not bad. All right, so we've got to break 801 for it to truly signal. Okay, so we'll see. I'm going to give my stop maybe to about, not the whole bar. It should really be the whole bar. It should be about 32. I don't really want to give it 20 ticks. That would give back $100. So I'm going to kind of just watch it, and I'm going to watch order flow, and I got my hand here on the flatten button. I'll kind of see. Order flow staying negative. I don't mind this little retracement in here. You know, we got to break these lows yet. So the low of that bar, 801, I said, right? 801, yes. We got to break 801. Now this here bar will close in another 30 seconds. When it closes, I'll put my stop 2 ticks above its wick. And there we go. Now we've broken it. So I'm already going to put my stop at 18, 2 ticks above that wick. So yes, I'm still in a risk position, but I think the trade looks pretty good. Still got 15 seconds to that bar though. I might be a little premature putting my stop there. 10 seconds. There we go. There we go. All right, now let's see if we can break these lows. So first target is kind of, you know, like 50%, and then the lows. I'm going to go into a little bit of a protect position here. Let's go a little bit above developing value area high. I can get down to like 0.5. There we go. There we go. Now, if we can break these lows, we should at least get down to VWAP. There is definitely support here. I'm going to move my stop down further. Let's see. I'm going to go to 92 and actually protect 20. That might be a little tight. I'm going to go just above value area high. So 98. I'm protecting 16 ticks. Not bad. Because we could get a bounce here. I need to see it push down back below point of control. Oh, look at point of control has just shot up. So let's see if we can push back down below point of control, close below this monthly point of control as well, break these lows, and then we go. There we go. That's what we wanted to see. Now I'm going to move my stop just a little bit above point of control. So let's go at about 80, 83 is good, 84. I'll go 84. Oh, I'm out. I'm out. It got there before I even got my stop there. So I didn't even get the full 84. All right, I got $150 on the trade though, not bad. I am up $692 in the combine with commissions. I'm totally happy to be done for the day. So I'm happy with where it is, just about almost $700 for the day, not a bad day. I'm gonna switch to sim at this point and then. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed that video and that you were able to learn a little bit, as always. In the comment section below this video, you will see a link to my website where you can find out more information about joining the trade room so that you can learn about how I take these trades and what I do. Also, you'll find on my website a link to start a Topstep trading combine if you're interested in doing that. If you liked this video, please be sure to click on the thumbs up and also to subscribe to my channel so that you will receive new videos as I make them. And also, I'd love it if you would share my video so that I can get the word out to as many people about the Candlelight Trading Room. Also, to help you get started, please enter CLT20 at checkout in my room and you'll get $20 off your first month in the room. All right, have a great day and I hope to see you soon.